This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video, some more commands in GW Basic Programming Language. And the command we are going to learn today is run command. So first we will read the definition. The definition is this command is used to execute the program currently in memory. So viewers, the term memory means that the random access memory, which is a temporary memory where the program is currently loaded and it is not saved yet, but it is currently loaded and can be executed. So if the program is not in memory, it first load and then run it. So there's two big difference, that the command is used to execute the program currently in the memory if the program is not in memory. So you have to keep in mind the program is not currently in the memory, then it first load and then run it. And how it is done, let's see with knowing the syntax of it. And the syntax says that first we will type the run reserved word, name of the command, then we'll type the line number, and then we'll type R, and the other syntax is we can type run, and then we can type file name, any file name of basic program, and then we'll type comma and R. Now we'll go for the interpretation, and the interpretation is by default the run command starts executing the program from the beginning. However, if the line number is specified, then the execution of the program starts from that particular line number when the file name is specified with run command. It closes all opened files and deletes all memory contents before loading and executing the specified file from disk. The R option is used to keep all data file open during the execution of run command. So it is very important. I'm going to read it again, that by default the run command starts the program from the beginning. And you know very well, viewers, that the beginning of the program in GW Basic Programming Language starts from the line number 10. So here it means that the beginning is the line number 10 we are talking about. However, if the line number is specified, then the execution of the program starts from there. Like if we type the run command and then type the line number like 50, then we have specified than line number 50, so the run command will execute right from the line number 50 and will ignore all the previous line numbers. So start from the particular line number. When the file name is specified within run command, it closes all open files. If you specify the name of the file, a specific file name like area of triangle is the name of the file which calculates the area of a triangle, then the file name is specified, and then if the GW basic program, by using with the run command, will closes all the open files and deletes all memory contents before loading and executing a specified file name. Like here in this case, I've just given the example of area of triangle file, so it will be first loaded in the memory and then it will be executed. The R option is used to keep all data files open during the execution of run command, and if you want to keep all the files open during the execution of run command, then R option is used. Now I'm going to give the example of it, and let's see how it is used. Here we'll type run, and then we'll type the name of the table is the file name. We'll type table.bs, the extension of the GWC file program. It actually executes table.bas without closing data file, because we have used .r, so it will open all the data files open during the execution of run command. We have just discussed over here. So this thing is written over here that it executes the table.bs without closing data files. And the important thing is, if you are using the speaker on the computer, please note that executing the run command will turn off any sound that is currently and will reset to music foreground. So it is an important thing to understand. So now we're gonna learn one more command, and it is the save command. We will discuss in our today's video. So this command is used to save the program on the disk for later use, and the syntax is save file name A, and the other syntax is save file name, comma, we'll put a comma over here, and here we'll type comma P enclosed in the column bracket, both A and P. Now we will discuss the interpretation of this command save, and the interpretation is that by default GW Basic saves the file in a compressed binary format if the option A is specified. The file is saved in ASCII format. The option P saves the file in an encoded binary format, like means protected format. So the word encoding or encoded means, viewers, protected. It's the same meaning, synonym. Encoded means protected formats. If we use the P, letter P, option P, then the file will be saved in the protected format. And we actually cannot list or edit a file saved in protected format. However, it can be executed. It can be executed, but it cannot be edited, or we cannot list that particular file if the option P is used. And the examples are, viewers, save, and then we'll type the name of the file, matrix.bas, comma A. So let's see how it is used. It saves the file matrix.bas in ASCII format. And the other example is save matrix.bas, comma P, and it is used. It says that it saves the file in encoded, or you can call it protected. Both have the same meaning. Encoded and protected are synonyms, and vice versa. Encoded, protected, binary format. So that's all for today, viewers. And today we have learned two different commands. First one was the run command, the second one was the save command. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching, and keep watching eSkillZone's videos for learning GW Basic Programming Language.